Welcome back to the Till. My name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage, and in this video, we're going to talk about built-in rewards. That's right, about 3 months ago, I did a video, and I said that in February, that Built was going to be coming out with some new credit cards, partnered with UWM to help build out an ecosystem for you, United Wholesale Mortgage, so that you could pay your mortgage and earn rewards. So why and how did this happen? First and foremost, UWM wanted to bring all of their servicing on mortgages in-house. So they needed an ecosystem of which would allow them to actually do that, right? So what they did was, in conjunction with building out the servicing department, they're partnering with Built, who already has an ecosystem for points for collecting rents throughout the country. You can get points for paying your rent and use them at over 40,000 other locations for food, lift rides, entertainment, travel. So they already had a system built out. So UWM is partnering with them to build this system out. So you're going to go from rent to your mortgage, right? So this is going to help with home affordability. And it's going to help those people that are paying rent think about getting their mortgage. And within that ecosystem, they're going to be building up points potentially to help with just that. So let's get into some of the details.
Built-in rewards when you do your mortgage with First Meridian Mortgage, and I placed that loan with United Wholesale Mortgage. That's right. My name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage. This is the Till, truth in lending and in life. And I always say that there's more truth in lending and dealing with a mortgage broker, because we have to disclose exactly how much money we make when we originate a loan. A bank or a lender does not have to. So just feel that there's more truth in lending and in life dealing with a mortgage broker. So today I got some exciting news. In this video, I'm going to break down some of the new Built 2.0 rewards that is available through United Wholesale Mortgage. About 70 to 80% of the loans I've done in the last 5 to 7 years have gone to United Wholesale Mortgage, and they have partnered. They're bringing the servicing in house, right? So they're going to be selling off those loans. And even if they sell any of those loans off, they're going to be servicing. So they're going to be maintaining the servicing in-house. They do have the rights to sell if they want to, but their whole goal is to bring servicing in-house. And by doing that, they partnered with Built, who already has an ecosystem for payments. Built, if you don't know, was a payment system for apartment complexes, for renters, and they earned rewards for their within and around their neighborhoods, right? So if you look at the neighborhood around, you might have been able to use it on your drugstore, travel, Lyft, restaurants, or even your rent, depending on how your choices on setting up, whether you set it up for cash or for points, okay? So in general, you're gonna make your rent payment, you're gonna make your mortgage payment, so you might as well earn whatever rewards that you can. Now, we wanna be smart about that, right? So there are a few different levels on the card that are gonna be available, right? They have the blue card, which is 1 times your everyday spend. The Built Obsidian card, which is 1 time your spend, but you can get 2 times on travel and 3 times on groceries or dining, your choice. So if you eat out a lot, then that could be of some advantage. and that middle card has a $95 annual fee, but they give you $100 toward travel. I think you have to spend that over a 6-month period. They break that up into halves. And then it has all the neighborhood benefits, right? And then the Palladium card, which I think has the highest value, it is a $495 a month. A year card. You do get $300 in built cash, so you can go out to restaurants, use that on hotels or travel. 2 times spend, and then up to 4% back in either built cash or 1.5 on housing. And then, of course, you have some other priority pass, which is worth probably $469 a year if you travel. So some of these things do get magnified based upon the amount that you spend. So to get your full maximizing numbers, you have to look and gauge how much you're spending on the card. The ideal situation, this card, it most benefits anyone that is going to, and I'm going to say it again, pay their card off monthly. If you're someone that rolls your credit card debt on a monthly basis, then I would not use this card for that. I would take the free method, because here's the thing, and it's the key point, is even if you don't have a card, you can sign up to do ACH through your bank and get 250 points per month. And that would be 3,000 points a year. And those are transferable on a one-to-one basis to any of your other cards. So you don't lose out in any way by doing that, okay? If you have a $10,000 limit and they ACH your mortgage payment, it doesn't count into the $10,000 limit, okay? That is just they pull it out of your account, you make your payment for the mortgage, and your card just works just like a normal credit card also. Now, UWM is unique in the facet that you can only get this by going through a mortgage broker that has UWM, or if UWM happens to buy your servicing, then I'm sure they're going to bring you into that built ecosystem, because that's how they're going to be doing their servicing through the built platform. What's nice is, they will keep my name in front of you if you've used me as a mortgage broker. They do some follow-up just to make sure that you know where you got these rewards from, essentially doing business with Kevin Retcher and First Meridian Mortgage. But what makes the UWM partnership unique is that the broker relationship and correspondent and the seamlessness of the servicing integration from my perspective is that you're going to be built or brought into that built ecosystem, and it's something that you can transition from a renter's perspective into the mortgage world and mortgage perspective. So it's going to help with home ownership, and or I can see the synergies being able to be linked together. So in general, these cards are going to be, they're available now, and you can earn built rewards right now just for paying your mortgage. So if you're one of my dear clients that I've done a mortgage for and you happen to be paying United Wholesale Mortgage, please look into signing up for built rewards today, okay? There's no reason not to earn, even taking out the blue card and earning 1 times your mortgage payment per month with some minimal spending on the card, and just pay it off. Treat that card like your housing expense card, and just buy your groceries. If you buy your groceries and you spend to a certain limit, and with some of the cards, it allows you to get more points. I think you have to spend up to 25% of your mortgage payment to get the full 1-to-1 on the blue card. So if you have a $2,500 mortgage payment, you may have to spend up to like $800 or so to get your full benefit of points. But even if you don't, you get the 250 regardless. So in my opinion, that is free points that I can transfer over to any other mileage plan that I have. So there's not a reason not to do this. My name is Kevin Retcher. I'm the owner of First Meridian Mortgage. This is an episode of The Till. If you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm always bringing you information that is going to either save you money or keep you from making a mistake. Talk to you soon.